Go. Father is English. Speak. जाओ. Go.
Father in English.
Go.
Father in English. And you are Indian.
इन्हीं के पास जाओ. Father के पास जाओ.
So hello friends, welcome to our new vlog. तो आज के vlog में हम करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चैलेंज जिसका नाम है स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश चैलेंज फॉर 24 आवर। तो अगले 24 घंटे तक हम लोग को कोई भी बात करना है तो वो इंग्लिश में करना है, हम कोई भी हिंदी वर्ड का यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो आप दोनों एक्साइटेड हैं?
Yes.
तो हम में से किसी को मतलब पूरी तरीके से इंग्लिश बोल,
मेरे को तो नहीं आती बिल्कुल।
हम लोग को भी बोलना नहीं आता पूरी तरीके से, मतलब फ्लुएंटली बोलना नहीं आता।
इनको आता है, मुझे नहीं आता है।
सारा वर्ड तो नहीं आता हम लोग को, ना आते हैं।
सोचने में ही समय निकल
हाँ।
जाएगा।
तो
अब इसी कंपटीशन से पता चलेगा कि किसको कितनी इंग्लिश आती है।
हाँ, तो अगले 24 घंटे तक हम लोग को इंग्लिश में ही बात करना है, कोई भी हिंदी वर्ड का उपयोग नहीं करना है। तो देखते हैं, काफ़ी ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा इस चैलेंज में। तो हम लोग का टाइम स्टार्ट होता है अब से और पूरे फैमिली वाले हम लोग इंग्लिश में ही बात करेंगे। सो अपना चैलेंज स्टार्ट होता है अब।
I'm ready.
लेट्स गो। तो मदर नो मॉम इज गेटिंग रेडी फॉर हर शूट, डांस शूट on her channel, for her channel, YouTube channel. Now
I will make or shoot the video.
you say something.
Before practice dance.
Before practice dance. So mom has her YouTube channel of dance, so she is getting ready for her today's shoot, dance shoot, and Aradhya will help her to shoot her video. Correct?
Yes.
यार आदित्य को इंग्लिश आती थी, फिर भी इसने कैसे
No Hindi. No Hindi.
नो हिंदी मुझे पता है, मैं थोड़ा सा इसको डिटेल में बताती हूँ। इसको आती है, ये कभी बोलता नहीं इसलिए लड़खड़ा रहा है, इसलिए इसके लिए कंपटीशन बढ़िया है इंग्लिश का।
No, we don't know.
बच्चों के लिए।
We don't know how to speak in English of every object. We don't know English of every object. Correct,
Every
Aradhya?
word.
We don't know every word of
हिंदी
English.
इज हिंदी इन एंजॉय।
Hindi in enjoy.
हिंदी में मजा आता है इनको बातें करने में।
Yes. Not Hindi. English. Hindi plus English, both language. We are not perfect either in speaking in entirely in English or entirely in Hindi. We are perfect in speaking English, Hindi plus English language.
ओके मी रेडी होने दो।
No, say in English.
नहीं उसमें थोड़ा सा इंग्लिश बोलेंगे, ये थोड़ा सा हिंदी बोलेंगे, ये मेरे लिए छूट है
Oh.
ताकि इनको समझ जाए।
Special offer for the mom.
Try to speak at least 2 sentences in English. Any sentence. Any sentence. What are you लगाएंगे?
नॉट डिस्टर्ब मी, आई एम रेडी। होने दो, मुझे रेडी होने दो मी।
Let's go, Aradhya,
Not disturb mom.
somewhere else to shoot our video.
Hello.
We have to speak English for 24 hours.
Okay, done.
We can't use any Hindi word.
Okay.
Otherwise, we will get out from this challenge.
You will be thrown out.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so friends, I have to show you something. So here one problem. We have one problem in our house.
So the problem is that
We are going to show you one biggest problem which we have identified in our house. Where is Aradhya? Yes, please. Where are you going? Don't run. Come here. Come here and we will describe our problem. Come here. So friends, problem is, as you can see in our house, bird has made nest. This is nest, and in the nest there were 3 baby birds, and out of that 3 birds, one bird has fallen. One baby bird has fallen. This is one baby bird, and Aradhya has made this bird fallen.
no. This is fallen by mistake.
by
own mistake.
by own mistake. So basically, bird has fallen by its own mistake. And we tried. काटेगी नहीं यार, इधर ही खड़ी रहो तभी तो बना पाएंगे. So this is the problem. Bird has fallen by her own mistake, and we both tried many times to put this bird
In the nest.
in the nest. Here is the nest. We tried several times to put the bird in this nest, but we are failed.
Become failed. Because her mother is
Her-
scaring us.
Her mother and father bird.
Roaming around us.
We tried many times to put baby bird in the nest, but her mother and father bird
Staring at us.
has come and saying choo 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 choo. Don't touch my nest. So whenever we are trying to put this bird in the nest,
They are roaming around us.
they are saying, hey, don't touch my bird, don't touch my nest. They start saying choo 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 from above.
See that there is.
So that is mother bird,
And that there is father bird.
and father bird is also there. There. So they are not letting us to put this bird in the nest. Correct?
Yes. We are tried several times to put that.
And after we failed, we called our mother to put this bird in the nest. And when
And the mother
mom
removed.
tried to touch this nest, mother bird came and it was like, whoo! Mother bird came from front of our mother, and it was
Very
like
near from our face. मतलब
from her face,
काफी नजदीक.
like she was saying, room, don't touch my nest. So we are now not touching the baby bird and her nest. We tried but several times. I can show you baby bird which has fallen from very near. So I am going now to shoot a cinematic footage of baby bird which has fallen down. So this is the baby bird which has fallen, and this is alive. Hello, hello, handshake, hello. So I think baby bird is lazy and she is not doing handshake with me. So let's go.
No. She's not lazy, but she needed a rest because.
I think she is lazy
No.
and she is not answering my question, and
ignoring you.
I think she does not know how to speak in English, so she is avoiding this video. So let's go up again. Speak in English, please. So baby bird was not interested in our video, so we came above again.
Her mother is watching you. Why are you laughing?
I am not laughing.
Chalo.
Say in English everything. What?
I am doing ID dance. Wow.
What are you saying?
I am do ready dance.
I am do ready done. What does it mean?
Audience understand.
Audience. So friends, we are currently on our
Terrace.
terrace, and my mother is going to shoot a dance shot for her YouTube channel, and Aradhya will help her by shooting her video. So okay, let's start.
1, 2, 3, start.
गलत कर रहे हैं.
What happened? Why are you coughing?
Second chance. Second chance.
First round completed, second chance.
Wrong हो गया first round वाला.
Second round is started to practice.
Practice? She do not do practice. Direct shooting.
Direct shooting. she is saying no practice, direct shooting.
मेरा ऐसे ही होता है.
How many takes did she used to take?
Minimum 20 takes she needed to.
माय पसीना निकलेंगे.
What are you saying?
मैं पसीना निकली
What are nickling?
पसीना
Pasina nickling? Sweating.
गो
It's
गो गो गो
sweating.
आई एम डांस करने दो
1, 2, 3, start.
So friends, it is 7 p.m. evening this time, so it is time to make tea. So we are. Don't shout. Don't shout. So we are going to make tea because it's evening and tea time. Let's go.
Let's go. So firstly we add water in the pan.
What will you say this, which you have done?
Lightering.
Lighting the stove. So tea leaves. You added tea leaves. So today Aradhya is making.
Not only today, every day.
No. Today Aradhya is making tea in English. English tea.
What you like in the tea? Ginger or elaichi?
I like elaichi tea. I don't like ginger tea. इलायची को हाँ इलायची को बोलते हैं सी से कुछ बोलते हैं
Cardamom. Cardamom.
आई डोंट नो व्हाट वी कॉल इलायची इन इंग्लिश
Cardamom.
आई एम कमिंग ओके
Okay.
यस व्हाई आर यू कॉलिंग मी
मेक टी 2 कप
ओनली 2 कप
अगर तुम्हें भी
2 cup tea.
ओनली स्पीक इन इंग्लिश डोंट चीट डोंट डू चीटिंग
Only 2 cup tea.
हाउ मच कप टी यू नीड स्पीक
जितना बनाना है उतना बनाना
नो चीटिंग
No.
ट्राई टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश
आई डोंट नो नहीं मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है नॉट इंग्लिश
से समथिंग से समथिंग
यार ऐसे इंग्लिश बोलने से मेरा माइंड खराब हो जाता है
से समथिंग
आई ड्रिंकिंग टी
I know you drink tea.
आई ड्रिंकिंग टी मतलब मुझे चाय पीनी है जाओ बना के लाओ
Aradhya is already.
जाओ मेरी बेइज्जती करा दो मेरी बेइज्जती करा रहे हैं बच्चे
This is not बेइज्जती.
दरअसल मुझे भी इंग्लिश आती थी लेकिन हम लोग डेली बोलते नहीं है इसलिए इंग्लिश दिमाग पे चढ़ता ही नहीं है
Aradhya is calling. Mother.
गो लिसन
Bro.
What happened?
Let's go.
Is the tea ready?
No.
मैं
अंग्रेजों वाली इंग्लिश बोल सकती हूँ
English, only English.
अंग्रेजों वाली
Only, yes,
अंग्रेजों वाली
yes, speak something, okay.
Any English?
Any English.
You want to speak?
वैसे वाला नहीं
Australian.
जाओ जल्दी से चाय बना के लाओ तुम जाओ गो ये वाला डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब मी
Correct. डांटने वाला सारा चीज़ की इंग्लिश आती है. Do not disturb me. और क्या डांटिए अच्छा अंग्रेजी में?
बिफोर आई थिंकिंग
Yes. Say at least 2 lines in English. So friends, this is most funny character in our video today. Not saying even
A single word in English.
single word in English. Always cheating, speaking all Hindi words and no
नो
English.
मी इंग्लिश आती थी बट अभी नहीं आ रही है अभी भेजे में नहीं जा रही है
Suppose any foreigner came in front of you. How will you talk to
आई
him?
एम इंडियन
Yes, you are Indian, but
नारी
You not understand your language.
इंडियन नारी
if any foreigner
हिंदी
came,
मीडियम स्कूल क्या रीडिंग
reading
पढ़ रही थी पता नहीं क्या है भैया
Hindi medium school reading. I studied in
हाँ,
Hindi medium
आती
school.
थी भूल गई मैं
भूल गए की बताइए.
क्या हो गया
Forget.
फॉरगेट आई एम फॉरगेट
I am forget.
नाउ इंग्लिश स्पीक रीडिंग डेली
You will daily learn how to speak in English from today. So for that you have to speak English words, but you are avoiding to speak English words. So how will you learn? Aradhya, you say something.
व्हाट आस्क
What? I'm saying that you said that you will learn how to speak in English from today, right? So for learning English, you have to say something in English
Otherwise, how could you learn English?
without saying anything.
Go. Father is English. Speak. Ciao. Go.
Father in English.
Go.
Father is English. And you are Indian.
इनके पास जाओ, फादर के पास जाओ.
So-
जाओ देखो इनको इंग्लिश आती है कि नहीं. नॉट इंग्लिश. स्पीक फादर.
Father is English का मतलब समझती हैं.
I am English speak. Well done. No, go.
So Aradhya, she is saying that father is English and she is Indian. So who are we?
Audience, you understand?
English.
Audience,
English.
you understand? Audience, you understand?
Our audience is basically small students
Me understand. Audience.
and they can understand. Aradhya,
My name is
tea ready?
My
No.
3 daughters. Nahi.
Go, otherwise tea will fall like a fallen bird.
Like a volcanic eruption.
Tea will fall like a bird has fallen from the nest.
My daughter, big daughter,
Big daughter.
English speak.
Very big daughter.
How much big I am? Tell me.
But now English speak.
I can't speak English with these type of people. These are totally zero English.
My mind disturb English speak.
अगर हम लोग
Me Hindi enjoyed.
Enjoy the speaking in me. Only.
अगर हम आपको डेली इंग्लिश में ऐसे ही चैलेंज करें तो आप तो डांटना भूल जाएंगे. हमें डांट ही नहीं सकती हैं क्योंकि इंग्लिश में डांटना नहीं आता. इंग्लिश में एक भी गाली देना नहीं आता आपको ना.
बहुत आती है बहुत.
इंग्लिश गाली आती है.
और मेरे को गाली नहीं देनी है. वो वाली गाली मुझे मजा नहीं आती. हिंदी वाली गाली मुझे मजा आती है.
इंग्लिश गाली एक तो बताइए.
नॉनसेंस.
नॉनसेंस और
स्टूपिड.
स्टूपिड. ये सब गाली तो नहीं हुई. हाँ
गाली ही होती है.
हाँ ठीक है. और बताइए.
इडियट.
After.
इडियट. अच्छा. और सो करेंटली आराध्या
जस्ट नाउ टी.
Just now tea.
So, Aradhya's summer vacation is going on, and after 6 days,
4 days.
only 4 days are remaining to reopen the school.
Match
Her
round.
vacations are going to over. Only 4 days are left.
Vacation is going to over after 4 days, and Aradhya has not done any homework.
Any homework?
Any homework.
No. Some homework.
If
Some homework.
if her teacher is watching this vlog, I am telling you the truth. Aradhya has not done any homework, and she is saying to me to make her complete her homework in just 4 days.
And she was enjoying her vacations in sleeping and rooming.
Whole vacation, she just
Sleep and sleep.
laid down in the bed. And only 4 days are remaining, so Aradhya has to complete all English homework in just 4 days. So that is not possible. So Aradhya is planning to not go school for the starting 1 week.
Who is saying that?
You have planned
No.
not to go school for first week, so you can get free more extra time to complete your homework. Both mother and daughter zero English, poor English, very poor. I am 30% English.
And I am.
They poor English.
I
Aditya.
am 50%.
And D is also 20% English.
Just shut up. I can speak.
No one in my family can speak 100% English. We are so poor in English. So finally, Aradhya has made tea and bring all our breakfast. Evening
Oh, this is breakfast.
evening breakfast.
It's called snack. Snack time.
Snack time. I am wrong. My bad. So Aradhya has bring snacks. So this is our snack time. What have you bring?
Toasty.
Toast and tea, not toasty. You don't know the use of and.
I know, but I'm not interested in saying that.
Just take your phone.
So what are you eating, Mom? What are you eating?
Not disturb me.
How is the स्वाद को क्या कहते हैं?
Taste.
How is the how is the taste of toast and tea?
Tasty है. It's
Ta-
tasty.
It's tasty and good.
पूरा पानी भरना है.
What you are saying? What you are saying? What you are saying?
कूलर भरना है.
Huh?
कूलर
कूलर भरना इंग्लिश में बताइए.
नहीं आता है, भरने को तो आता ही नहीं है.
Fill.
Fill the water in the
Fill
cooler.
the water cooler.
Water cooler. अच्छा.
So Papa ji has arrived.
Why are you saying in very low voice?
छोड़ने को क्या कहते हैं?
Papa ji arrived. What? What छोड़ना?
छोड़ना.
What
मुझे
छोड़?
छोड़ दो.
छोड़ दो कि जाने दो.
वही.
Leave me alone.
हाँ. Leave me alone.
Don't disturb me. Don't irritate me. Don't bother me.
Leave me alone.
Bother माने परेशान करना. Don't bother me. ब्रदर में से बस
पहली बात तो मेरे मोबाइल में पैसा भरवा.
आर हटा देंगी तो बॉर्डर.
बस यार. ले अभी.
ले आओ दे. ये कौन सी लैंग्वेज में आ गई यहाँ? इंग्लिश चैलेंज चल रहा है. ले आओ दे. वाह माँ.
अरे जरूरी नहीं कि तुम डाल दोगे.
डालेंगे.
डालेंगे. एवरी फनी थिंग आई विल डालिंग इन द वीडियो.
जो गलत है उसको काट देना.
वीडियो
मुझे जोड़े वाली नमकीन दो.
तुरंत नॉट आइंग बट बोलिंग जरूरी.
मुझे छोड़ दो. आई लीव मी अलोन. और मुझे फ्री रहने दो.
See how Aradhya is eating.
चूड़े वाली नमकीन.
Which नमकीन?
चूड़े वाली.
नमकीन.
नमकीन को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
नमकीन को बोलते हैं सेवरी.
हमको पता है.
मांगिए चूड़ा वाला सेवरी.
चूड़ा वाला सेवरी.
अब चूड़े को क्या बोलते हैं?
चूड़ा मीन्स चूड़ा. चलो ले आओ जल्दी से यार.
So friends, finally I am ending this challenge now. Our English challenge is going to end now because 24 hours is almost completed. And please comment down how do you like this video or not. If you really enjoyed, then please share this video to your close ones. And also like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.